So I'm Pete Loerzel, and I run a construction business, Sage Construction Corporation. We do mostly residential, but also commercial work. This is our first project in McCall. We're out of Florida. The terrain, obviously, in Florida is pretty flat. The hilly country here is a little bit different than what we're used to. This is the first electric crane operation that we've ever used. We've used cranes many, many times in different jobs, but the advantages obviously are huge. The compactness of the unit, it's so small that they were able to get it up a tight driveway and put it on a tight space, which when we asked them about it, we didn't think that they'd be able to do it. But sure enough, it only took a couple hours to set it up and get it operational. It's so quiet that we're able to have multiple trades on the job at once, and everybody can hear each other. The operator can, bark out his instructions. Everybody can hear him clearly. Just makes safety a gigantic bonus on the job. The roofer, they asked us for help, moving materials, because we otherwise would be using scaffolding or some kind of a lift, which at this point our driveway's not done, and getting a lift up here is pretty difficult. So we're moving virtually everything: equipment, compactors, bags of cement, everything. We've been able to move the crane and get it into position between several trees, which allowed us to save multiple trees that otherwise we would have been cutting down. And there's a lot of properties where you're building between existing buildings, and when you can get a compact crane to do that work, it's a huge cost savings. Time, money, labor, everything. If it's not obvious, I would recommend it to anybody. It's a machine that's just gonna save time. It's gonna save time, and time is the essence on a construction job.